Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 15 Probability. Today we are going to study from exercise 15.1 question 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens of which 20 are defective and the others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it or she will not buy it? So now let's try to understand the question. How many pens are there? A lot consists of 144 ball pens. So total number of pens are 144. So let's write down now. Total number of ball pens. So total number of ball pens we have 144. In that 20 are defective. So the defective pens. Defective means not good pens, means it won't write. So defective pens. How many? 20. So total number 144 pens are there and defective pens are 20. Now Noori will buy. She will buy if the pen is good. If pen is good, she will buy. She will not buy if pen is defective. So if the pen is defective, she won't buy. If pen is good, then she will buy. So we should know that means how many good pens also. So good pens. Good pens. How many? So from 144, the defective ones you minus 144 minus 20. So 4 minus 2, 2, then 1. So you have 124 good pens you have. So good pens are total 124 pens are there, good ones. So now let's find out the probability. So before that, let me explain to you once again the question. The shopkeeper is having total 144 pens. So total 144 pens the shopkeeper is having. So you consider here this as a 144 ball pens. In that he is randomly giving one pen. So Noori, she is going to buy. So the shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. So the shopkeeper takes one pen from here and giving to Noori. Noori, what she will do? She will check this pen whether it is working or no. So she will check and see. If it is working, then she will buy this pen. If it is not working, then she won't buy the pen. So what are the possibility that she will buy and what are the possibility that she will not buy? So that is what we are going to see. So let's see the probability first that she will buy. When she will buy, if the pen is good, then she will buy. If the pen is defective, then she won't buy. So first we will see she will buy. So probability of, if she buys, then what will be the pen? That means good pens. So good pens. If it is good pen only, she will buy. So number of good pens divided by total number of pens. So we know number of good pens. How many? 124. And then total number of pens 144. So now if we simplify this with table 2, then you will get 6 2s are 12. So 6 times 2 will become 12. Then 2 times 4. Then here you will get 7 times 2 14 and 2 times 2 4. Now further we can simplify this with table 2 only. So 3 times 2 will be 6 and 1 time 2 2. Then here 3 times 2 6, 1 will be carried forward, 12 will come here. Then 6 times 2 will be 12. So now still we cannot simplify this. So this will be our answer. Now let's see for the probability for the second possibility, that is she will not buy. When she will not buy the pen? When the pen is defective, she will not buy it. So it is there, she will not buy if it is defective. So probability for the defective pens. So number of defective pens. So if it is defective, she will not buy. So total number of pens. So number of defective pens, how many we have? 20. And total number of pens, 144. Now we can further simplify with table 2. 1 times 2, then 0 will be there. Then 7 times 2, 14. And 2 times 2, 4. Now further we can simplify this. 5 times 2 will be 10. 3 times 2, 6. 1 carried forth. Then we will have 6 times 2, 30. 6 times 2, 12 we will get. So 36. So this will be our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.